Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different because I'm going to be showing you a collective haul from JustFab. I'm going to be talking you through what JustFab is, what subscription services really are, the ins and outs, and the tips and tricks that I have for you to navigate that world of subscriptions. And then later on, I'm actually going to show you what the clothes look like on me. If you want to just skip forward and see me trying on those clothes, I'll leave a timestamp here. I'm actually going to be splitting this video into two parts. Today's video is just going to be all of the clothing that I've gotten, and then part two will just be all the shoes and accessories that I have bought. So to jump right in, JustFab is a subscription service. You can subscribe to be a VIP member, and every month they'll send you a selection depending on your style and a style quiz that you take online. It's $39.95 a month. And either you elect to use that money every month towards your purchase, or you can skip the month and you won't be charged that fee. Otherwise, you can just go in at any point in time and buy from their catalog. They have a wide variety of clothes, shoes, jewelry, accessories, purses, a bunch of stuff. And I don't know if you're like me, but I literally hate going inside a mall and shopping for clothes. Something about walking into a store and seeing like the racks and racks and racks of unorganized things just like mentally freaks me out. So when it comes to online shopping, subscription services might be for you too. When you sign up to be a VIP through their website, you get notifications on their sales, and then you also rack up some of these VIP points that you can use towards an overall discount on your next purchase. There's also like a preliminary style quiz that you take, and then that is what they use to generate some of their recommendations for you. But you don't really have to go with it, you can just search through their catalog. So that's just a little bit about how JustFab and subscription services in general work, but I'm actually going to fill you in on a couple pro tips on how to navigate that whole thing when you are like me and on a budget. First of all, definitely sign up for their VIP membership because you get those extra discounts and perks with it. But what you need to do is set a reminder on your calendar at the beginning of every month to just go in and click skip the month. That way you won't be charged the $39.95 every single month if you don't want to. You just have to make sure to set this reminder and do it every month. It's not that big of a hassle and it'll save you money. Because it's not like every month I'm trying to spend $40 on clothes. Totally unrealistic. Another pro tip is to check those sales, especially around holiday weekends. Just check back in every so often and you'll see sales like 50% off already marked down prices. Another tip, JustFab actually does some collaborations with some other brands sometimes. For example, they did a collab with Mango, and I don't know if you're familiar with that brand, but it's like, I think a UK-based brand. It's pretty high-end, definitely out of my budget. But the pieces that they did with Mango are way cheaper and the same quality. And then the last thing I have to warn you about is that this is online shopping, so you have to get comfortable trying on the pieces immediately and being okay sending it back if it doesn't fit or if you don't like it. I know a lot of us can get lazy and not want to send things back and package it and send it off, but you just gotta get comfortable with it if you want to online shop. This video is totally not sponsored, but if you want to sign up yourself, I actually have a link down below. You can just go in, click on it, and it'll take you through the entire process. Now on to the fun part, the try-on haul. I'll leave a link to all these pieces down below, so don't forget to check that out. And I'll also insert how much these pieces were on their website, like regular price, and then if I got them on sale. We'll start off with one of my favorite pieces of clothing, and that's the blazer. This was my first blazer purchase from JustFab, and it was a collaboration with Mango, so what I was talking to you about before. The quality is really, really good, and the price was way lower than what Mango usually sells their clothing for. It's a nice lightweight linen material, so you can wear it during the summer, during the spring, during the fall, and it's this nice blue and white striped pattern. I also bought this blazer at the same time as that last one, and it's also a Mango collaboration, so it's really good material. This one is much thicker than the last one, and it also has shoulder pads, so it's definitely more of like a masculine look, but I love that. It's also pretty long like the last one, and I just really like that shape for a blazer. This one's just a dark gray and then white stitched checkered pattern. The next blazer I got was this really cool tweed black and cream and white blazer. It's from their line of clothing, and it also, I don't know if you guys can see this at all, but there's like a line of silver and gold sparkly thread that runs through it, which is really cool. So you could totally wear this to the office and be a little blinged out, or you could transition this into holiday wear. Again, really good thick material. My last blazer from them is this really cool green and cream blazer. I guess I have a thing for tweed because I have 2 of them. I can definitely see how this might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I just really, really like the color and the fringe, and it's kind of retro. It also has a bit of a shoulder pad, and it's just really well made. Oh, and it's totally also part of that mango collaboration. Next up are my jackets. I got this denim jacket pretty recently, so it's still a little stiff. It is 100% cotton, and it's just really good quality. I really like how it has silver buttons, but then this brown gold thread almost, so you can kind of wear whatever jewelry you want with it. I also feel like you just need a denim jacket in your wardrobe. I also got this jacket from them, and it is like a deep forest green, and it's a long line and has a lot of random fuzzes on it. It's pretty lightweight, so I typically wear it in the spring and in the fall, but if you layer underneath, I have actually worn it in the winter too. The next category is jeans, and this is where I think JustFab does it really well. They have a huge selection of jeans, and they're always running sales on them. They have a bunch of high-waisted, mid-rise, jegging material, more stiff jeans. They just have so many things. Though these days, I tend to gravitate towards stretchy and high-waisted because quarantine diet. So these were the first pair of jeans I got from them. They are super stretchy and high-waisted all the time because they are so comfy and stretchy. I wear these to death at work because they are just so comfy and you can sit in them for so long without feeling uncomfortable. These are my second oldest pair of jeans from them, and they're definitely stiffer. I do recommend when you're buying the jeans to look in the description because it'll tell you how much of it is spandex, how much of it is cotton, all of that fun stuff, so you can know how stretchy it is or how stiff it is. So I definitely don't reach for these as much, but they're a great dark wash jean. I just got these. They're kind of in between the last 2 pairs in terms of color. I haven't worn them yet, so I can't really tell you how comfy or not they are. They're definitely not as stretchy as the first pair, but they're high-waisted and they are really cute, so I feel like I'm gonna wear this all the time. My last pair of jeans from them is this black jean, high-waisted and pretty stretchy. It's funny because I got these last 2 pairs of jeans in my usual size, but I might have to go up a size for my next purchase. My desk job is really just not doing it for me. Next up, we have tops. This is another collaboration with that brand Mango. It's just a nice 3/4 length sleeve. It has some nice pattern to it. I really do like the neckline to this. And because it's this cream color, it goes with a lot of different. This is one of my favorite turtlenecks. It just hugs the body because it's this knit fabric. I also have a soft spot for turtlenecks, but TMI, but on the real, this does show your sweat marks a little bit more. So maybe you need to wear like an undershirt or something, but still real cute. So last up in this category is this sweater I got, and I think this is the only piece of clothing that has not stood the test of time. It's still really soft like it was at first, and it's still this really pretty knit material, and I do love the color. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's pieces of it that have just completely come out, and it's all over this. So I'd give it like a C overall. Last category is definitely one of my faves, and it's dresses. I didn't really start purchasing dresses from them until fairly recently, but I have to say I am super impressed. You might have seen me wearing this in one of my other videos, but this is a dress I got from them pretty recently. It's this really nice olive color, and it has this cream polka dot pattern to it, and the buttons are really cute too. It's like that tortoise shell pattern. If we ever get out of quarantine, I will probably wear this dress a lot this summer. Next dress I got pretty recently is this white denim dress. It is real cute. It's like a good thick material, so it kind of smooths over all your lumps. I also really like this neckline right here, and it's a good midi length, so I feel like I can wear this to work with maybe like a sweater on top or even a shirt underneath. It's not even that booby, so I feel like I could get away with just wearing it without anything. And I mean, come on, look at this belt. So freaking cute. And it has pockets. It has pockets. And it zips up the side, so super easy to get into and get out of. Next up, I have this midi length, button down, long sleeve dress. Super lightweight, so I'm gonna be wearing this a ton to the office in the spring and summer. And I love bold floral prints like this. Don't know if it's everyone's jam. And I also love a collared neckline like this. And it comes with a sash to give you that waist that quarantine definitely took away. Up next, I have this really pretty wrap dress. It's a super long, flowing material, very lightweight. They have this really nice, clear, floaty sleeves with like really cute button details. It definitely has a second layer of fabric so that it's not like completely see-through in the body section. I feel like this is gonna be perfect for those summer parties or events. I cannot wait to wear this one. It is so beautiful. Okay, so I know this is not really like a dress, but I kind of put it in this category because it's like two separates and it looks like a dress when you wear them. I saw this shirt and skirt in their little outfit inspo section, and I definitely recommend checking that out if you're ever just looking for like an event dress or a special occasion. It's just like a flowy shirt, and then it comes with a pleated skirt. So when you tuck in the shirt, it kind of just looks like one piece, if that makes sense. They're both in this really, really cool fabric and pattern. I don't really know how to describe it, but I don't know if you can see that. It's like shiny material, but then like embossed is this almost spotted pattern. I feel like it kind of reminds me of like an animal print, but like done really, really well and like classy. Too classy for me because I have not worn this yet. I don't know if the pleated skirt is like coming back in style, but I am so digging this skirt. And the bottom hemline is this weird like asymmetrical thing going on, and again, love it, digging it, can't wait to wear it. And then last up is this really bedazzled tuxedo dress. I wore this to Chumley's company's holiday party and it worked out really great. It was real cute. I think I wore them with like over the knee boots because it is a little short and it was like the dead of winter and I'm not about exposed legs. Comfort over everything. It's a really cute dress and piece overall. It's definitely a statement because it's like this copper, almost rose gold color. The one thing I have to say though, I don't know if you can tell, but some of these pieces have come off in sections. I think they're honestly just stuck on here with like glue or something. And throughout the night that I wore this, I could just see pieces of my dress all over the floor and I was like, what is going on? But I guess from far away you can't really tell, so I'm definitely gonna continue wearing this. Okay, hi, totally forgot about the last outfit, hence the outfit change. But I have a jacket and trouser set and they are both velvet red burgundy and it is so soft. I love the detail of how the buttons are also velvet covered. Super great for special events or when you want to look super fashion forward. This was such a great purchase. And for what it is, which is a really good quality blazer and trouser set, really inexpensive. So that is it. That is my collective clothing haul from JustFab. I hope you enjoyed all of the little tips and tricks that I showed you. I do think a subscription service like this at the end of the day is worth it just because you're gonna get a lot of different clothing options online and usually on sale. And most of these pieces are surprisingly good quality. If you want to sign up for this, I have a link below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this clothing haul and comment down below what you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe because I will be doing another video on all of these shoes, the accessories, and the purses that I've gotten from there. I really hope you enjoyed this type of video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.